Hey everyone! Thinking about moving to Muscogee County, Georgia? Whether you're relocating from across town or across the country, there are a few local details that can make your move easier. I'm from 3 Movers. Let's walk through what you should know before moving day. Muscogee County, home to the city of Columbus, blends southern charm with a growing city vibe. You've got great schools, parks along the Chattahoochee River, and a strong sense of community. It's a place where history meets opportunity, and that's why so many families and professionals are relocating here. When planning your move, start early with a checklist. Organize your packing room by room, label boxes clearly, and let your movers know about any heavy or specialty items. Muscogee County roads are generally mover-friendly, but communication is key to avoid any surprises on moving day. Since Muscogee County includes both quiet suburbs and busier areas near Columbus, consider your moving window carefully. Weekends can be busy with local traffic and events. Booking early in the day helps avoid congestion and keeps your schedule on track. So that's your quick guide to moving to Muscogee County, Georgia. From community highlights to planning tips that make moving smoother. For more local moving guides and personalized support, visit 3movers.com. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, drop a comment with your question, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful moving advice.